During this short video, we'll introduce you into how Core Insight can help you with your PCI DSS requirements. As we've heard from many of our customers, Section 11 of PCI provides some challenges for our customers. The first challenge that many customers face is identifying PCI risk over time. It's very difficult to identify any changes in risk status for your PCI network. Also, dealing with distributed facilities forces companies to send people on site, a very expensive process. In addition, it's not one type of scanner that's being used in the PCI process. It's many scanners, including web and network scanners. And then ultimately you have to take all that data and provide some sort of penetration testing and reporting to meet the very strict guidelines that PCI requires. So let's go ahead and show you how we can alleviate some of these problems with Core Insight. Let's log into Core Insight. Note that the user interface is completely web-driven, so you can access the interface with any browser. While looking at the main dashboard, there are two separate areas that I'd like to highlight. The first is the asset tree map, which shows specific areas of the network that are at high risk. Note that the green, yellow, and red shaded areas show varying degrees of risk in different parts of the network. With a trend line view, you can see risk, in this case, increasing over a period of time, and in another case, decreasing over a period of time. This information can be based on geographic location, compliance requirement type, or any other criteria that you feel is important for your organization. Let's go ahead and take a look at campaigns. The concept of campaigns allows the PCI tester to focus in on very specific key pieces of data. Campaigns can be focused on web, network, client, or even multi-vector environments where you need to test across different applications and servers at the same time. This multi-vector approach provides a clear and concise model for testing critical PCI areas of the network. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inner details of a campaign. First, we must assign a campaign name and then take a look at the targets that we want the campaign to be focused on. The targets include the specific area of the network and the goals associated with it. The Scan tab shows how to designate the scan data that you want imported into Insight. Insight supports many of the leading scanners available on the market today. In addition to incorporating scan data, Insight can also provide a level of information gathering on the network. This network and scan data can then be used for the process of live testing inside of a PCI network. This live test is actually a penetration test performed by Insight. In addition, for advanced users, this data can also be integrated into Impact for more detailed pen testing. Once created, available campaigns can simply be selected from a list and run by going to the Active tab and simply selecting the Run button. Once the campaign is completed, detailed information can be extracted from the campaign and provided to a PCI consultant. The data includes critical information on the number of assets that were tested, the vulnerabilities found, exploits that were found, whether these exploits were actually in attack paths, and other important information that could lead to the assessment of real risk to your PCI network. Let's go ahead and run a simple report from the data we've collected from the campaign we've just run. Simply select the campaign, hit OK, select the type of report you're looking for in terms of format. In this case, we've selected PDF, and wait for the report to complete. This particular report shows a list of exploits that were successful, exploits that failed, which exploits were attempted, and which exploits were not attempted, in a nice, clean, and easy format that a consultant or advisor can quickly review and analyze the risk of exploits in your PCI network. We hope you found this video informative. If you have any additional questions, please contact Core Security directly. Thank you for your time.